Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete watch video history on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook account and then select the menu option on the top right corner. And here you just simply scroll down and click on setting and privacy and then click on settings. And in this section you just simply scroll down and and in your information section you just click on activity log. Then you just simply click on your post and then click on photos and videos, and in this section you see the three dot icon, so simply click on that and then click on move to trash. And now you will be able to delete watch video history on Facebook. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.